If you're looking for a light infant car seat, this is the video to watch because I'm going to be comparing the MAXI COSI Coral with the NUNA PIPA LITE LX. These are two super light car seats and they manifest their lightness in two different ways, and I'm excited about comparing it for you. So if you have any questions about baby gear, you gotta email us your questions to questions@mbeans.com. Book a free virtual consultation at mbeans.com/consultations, where we will literally do a video consultation with you through all of the different baby products. Give us a call at 617-383-8259 or leave a comment below. And here is the NUNA PIPA LITE LX and the MAXI COSI Coral. Enjoy the comparison. Battle of the super light car seats. So I have a MAXI COSI Coral, which is new and innovative, kind of a Euro car seat, and I'm excited about showing this to you. And I'm gonna show you the NUNA PIPA LITE, which is the lightest full car seat on the market, only 5.3 pounds. So they're both really light, but they function very differently. So let's start with the MAXI COSI Coral, which is new. Now this is available in Europe, and so if you've seen videos online, it's probably European videos. I do a full review of the Coral, so I'd suggest that you watch the full review, but let me show you the main innovative feature of the MAXI COSI Coral. So the deal with this is, though you can remove the entire shell, like big deal, like we see this 1,000 times with different car seats. The thing about the MAXI COSI Coral is that it is designed to actually remove the interior bucket from the actual plastic shell of the seat. So there's a mechanism that you squeeze on both sides. You just have to squeeze one of them, just squeeze nice and hard, and you lift it right out like this. So you can see that the car seat attachment mechanism stays in the car, and now you can carry this around over your shoulder really, really comfortably and ergonomic. You could hold it like a handbag, really, really light if you're going upstairs, if you are just quickly going on the go. If you have a bad back, this is so convenient and easy to use, and just very, very comfortable. So though you're not taking the full situation out of the car, and you can collect the shell into a stroller. You could use this traditionally, but in terms of lightness, this is just a different way of using car seats. I know this is like a very different concept, and you may want to talk about it with us, do a virtual consultation with us. Email me your questions at questions@mbeans.com or book a virtual consultation. Let me also show you how the base functions on the MAXI COSI Coral. So I'm going to just lift up this handlebar, remove the actual full shell. Really cool base. So there's a load leg, and there's also this really awesome ratcheting action. It works very similar to like as an Upper Baby Mesa, as you may be familiar, where you put in your latch connectors and you push down this little blue closing mechanism and you push to close. So it's a very, very easy to install. Let's go to the PIPA LITE and let me show you the base of the PIPA LITE. I'm actually going to show you the Relax base. So in 2020, they came out with the Relax base. And again, they also have a load leg, an adjustable load leg on here. And then what you do is you just push in that latch connector, and there is a anti-rebound extension on this, and it's also an adjustable base so that it can adjust on the fly to get the right position for your baby in the car. So also really easy to install. So the Coral has that ratcheting situation. This has a simple hard ISOFIX, click it in, really, really easy. And then you have your NUNA PIPA LITE. Just so you know, you can't install the NUNA PIPA LITE, just the actual seat, in a car without the base. The Coral you can install without the base, but you can't obviously install that interior shell. That's not installing into the car, that's just for carrying around. But the thing about the NUNA PIPA LITE, which makes it super safe, is that it's lined on the interior of the shell with EPP foam, which is a very high quality space age type of styrofoam or a shock absorbing foam that makes it super flexible and very shock absorbing, so it's extremely safe. And it is very light, but you're going to carry this in a more traditional way. This is actually the PIPA LITE LX. I can tell because it has the dream drape on it. And so that's that. A difference between a Pipa Lite LX and a Pipa Lite is that this has the Dream Drape and it has the upgraded interior fabrics on the inside of the materials of the seat, and it's all flame retardant free. Like I said, I do a full review of the NUNA Pipa, Pipa Lite LX, Pipa Lite, all those different things, best infant car seats of 2020 on the channel, and I suggest you watch that right after this video. Thanks for watching.